Introduce features interest of Vrriis USB-A and Type-C wireless CarPlay dongle adapter 3.1 for factory wired Apple CarPlay, car model year 2016 to 2021. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Factory wired iPhone CarPlay. The wireless CarPlay adapter 3.1 can convert the factory wired CarPlay to wireless seamlessly. By using this wireless CarPlay dongle, you can enjoy automatic and wireless connection to CarPlay without need of USB cable. There is nothing different between wired or wireless. The functions and apps are all there and the music quality is the same. The use of Google Map and Spotify are as responsive, no lag or dropping signal. The wireless CarPlay adapter has a strong compatibility. It can be compatible with 98% of cars which have factory wired CarPlay, such as for Audi/Porsche/Volkswagen/Mercedes-Benz/Hyundai/Honda Civic/CR-V/Peugeot/Chevrolet/Ford Sync 3.4 and so on. These cars must have the factory, before market, wired CarPlay function. For more detailed compatible information, please read the applicable model table on the Product A+ page carefully. Small size, super function. It can be not only compatible with USB-A port factory wired CarPlay, but also compatible with USB Type-C port factory wired CarPlay by using the USB-A to USB-C converter. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.